Number 6, we have the average hourly wage of 18 students working in the service industry shown in the table below. So 18, yep, 6 by 3, and we want the frequency. And our notation's a little bit different here. So this is an interval. And I'm just gonna write over here what it means. So it's a bracket with an 8, comma 9 to parenthesis. So it really means, think of a number line. It's asking us for all the numbers between 8 and 9. But the bracket and parenthesis means something you're familiar with. The bracket means that it's included, and the parenthesis means that it's not. So if we were to write this interval as an inequality, it would be any number between 8 and 9. So think back, if you were to graph this in middle school, you would have a number greater than or equal to 8 that goes up to 9 but does not include 9. Because our next interval does include 9. Because the bracket is next to the 9, but not the 10. So our second interval means any number between 9 and 10, including 9, but not including 10. Okay, so we're going to count how many numbers are between 8 and 9, not including 9 itself. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you really wanted to, you could graph them on the number line just to see, oh yeah, those really are between 8 and 9. But you don't have to. We're just counting how many. That's the frequency. So there's 5 between 8 and 9. Okay, how many are between 9 and 10, not including 10? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I missed one. So there's 7 numbers between 9 and 10. And we can keep going. This interval, 10 to 11, means any number between 10 and 11, including 10, not including 11. So between 10 and 11, 1, just 1. And then this means between 11 and 12. Again, if it helps to draw the number line, you can. So between 11 and 12, 11 being included, 12 not being included, and the open dot, closed dot. So 1, 2, oops. And then the last one means between 12 and 13. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then the next section is the relative frequency, where we take the frequency over the total and make the percentage. So our total is 18, so we're going to take all of these that we just found and put them over 18 and then times by 100 to make it a percent. So 5 over 18, 7 over 18, 1 over 18, 2 over 18, and 3 over 18. And then we'll just calculate them. So 5 over 18 times 100 makes it so we don't have to manually move the decimal place. So what are we rounding? 2 decimal places. So 27.78%. and then I'm going to just go back and just change all these like this. 38.89, I'm rounding to 2 decimal places. 5.56, 2 over 18, 11.11, and then 3 over 18 is 16.67.